Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Enrichment Geometry Part 1. Example 1. Find the volume of the above cube. Now the volume of this cube is the length times the width times the height. So length times width times height. And you notice that a cube, all the three measurements are the same. And the units are cubic centimetres. So we have the volume is 20 by 20 by 20 cubic centimetres. When we multiply those together, we have 8,000 cubic centimetres as the volume. How many litres of water will it hold? Now 1 litre of water takes up a volume of 1,000 cubic centimetres. Hence, the container will hold 8 litres because the volume of the container is 8,000 cubic centimetres, therefore it will hold 8 litres. What is the mass of 8 litres of water? Each litre has a mass of 1 kilogram, hence the mass of 8 litres is 8 kilograms. Example 2. What is the area of the small white rectangle? Well, that's very straightforward because we've seen in earlier videos the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. So the area is 7 metres by 2 metres, which is 14 square metres. What is the area of the grey shaded section not including the small white rectangle? So we have a look at this shape here, which is actually a square. 10 metres by 10 metres gives you a square. So let's work out the area of that square first, and then we subtract this white area. That will leave us with the grey area. So the area of the entire square is 10 metres by 10 metres. The area of the small rectangle is 7 metres by 2 metres, so that's 100 square metres minus 14 square metres is 86 square metres. So that is the area of this grey area. How much would it cost to tile the grey area if tiles cost $9 per square metre? Well, if the area is 86 square metres, just multiply that by 9. And we have some trading here happening, because 9 sixes are 54. When you work that out, the cost is $774. Let's look at this one. This is like an L-shaped. Now it's like a composite figure, and let's have a look how we do this one. What is the area of the orange shape? Okay. Because it's in the shape of an L, we've seen an example in previous videos where we have to put a little construction line in. Now how about doing something like this? See here, let's pretend that's a straight line there. So if you used your ruler, you'd have a straight line there. And look what we have. We've got this area here and that area there. So if you add those two together, that gives you that total area. So the area is 12 metres by 3 metres, which is that section there. 12 metres by 3 metres, that's that rectangle, plus 7 metres by 4 metres. Now how did I get that? Well, there's 4 metres already, see? Now if that height is 10 and that height is 3, 10 take away 3 gives you 7. So there's your 7 metres there, see? So 7 metres by 4 metres gives us that part. So that's 36 square metres plus 28 square metres gives you 64 square metres, and that's the area of the orange shape. What is the perimeter of a square with the same area as the orange shape? Now, if it's a square and it has the same area as the orange shape, that means each side of the square must be 8 metres, because 8 metres by 8 metres is 64 square metres. Okay, so the square must have sides of 8 metres, since 8 metres by 8 metres is 64 square metres. Well, to find the perimeter, you just add all those sides up. See, there are 4 of them, because they're all the same, 4 times 8 metres is 32 metres. And that's the perimeter of the square.